Director General of Police Jangka Jalan Meghalaya, Dr. L.R. Bishnoi, Ulong Wasian Usakot Yaga Jalang Batu, District Transport Officer, Pakumdi Dukatana Transport, na kebantaban penfong uniform no yaki driver ki bakamai taksi. Yakani ulapan pau hadim boleh jungo yaka madarting kapag pubun ki patma. Kipan pau yaka jing kamtam yaka jing ram jangka baik kali.
Market area, basically most of the people are working here. So in market the crimes may not be that much, but in outside the market there may be some area where the drugs and other.
Sometimes these drivers they don't have the proper rate.
Yeah.
Yes.
And they are charging as per their own risk.
Yes. Very much.
Is it?
Sometimes 100 rupees, 150 rupees also.
Have you complained to DTO or DC?
No.
Complain to office of DTO, Malamit there. Then he is the right person regarding
We will take up with DTO.
Yes.
We
but
will
not
take up.
to, like, it is very
Instead of they complaining, we can take up with DTO. And
they
if
charge like any rate they want to charge.
okay.
That is very important. That you
Yeah,
have,
yeah.
like, especially for the students, na, it is very.
So who is the driver? Call him here. कहाँ चला गया?
Sorry, Your Honor, Mr. Driver.
Just ask the rate, how much do they charge? Go from here to
So we will organize one separate meeting with taxi drivers, and in consultation with the DTO, we will try to fix the rates,
very good. Sir.
area-wise rates, and after that we will also discuss about their uniforms, dressing, so that public can, from a distance, can identify who is a taxi driver, so that we can implement. And we will create awareness among them also. So our next phase will be all the taxi drivers of we will have meetings separately. How many taxis are there? Is any idea?
Sir.
The driver se पूछो जरा how many taxis are running here? Who is the driver?
आप driver हैं?
And sometimes there is the mafia also, driver mafia.
Driver mafia.
Only in DTO office we have the records.
So the driver mafias we have to control them.
Yes.
If they are mafia, so then we have to.
Public buses cannot fly the sign.
So that's right.
Public buses cannot fly the sign.
Public
this
bus.
area?
This is very crowded area. Na? If the
Okay.
public buses come, it will lead to traffic congestion.
Okay.
Then it may cause inconvenience to everyone. So then again the women will come on the street with sticks, and you will become your own mafia then. So everybody is mafia here.
Not only here.
No. Good. We will keep this.